Good morning, Canada. Um, Starting my stream this morning, the third day into the trading week. It's a short trading day because of the 4th of July for the New York Stock Exchange coming up. It's market's closing at 1 o'clock. I'm done my trading for the morning, so I thought I'd go over my morning trade recap. For the tiny audience that I'm not trying to get. Anyways, this morning was volatile, needless to say. The stocks I was that were in play that I was going based on, there was about 4 stocks I was looking at. 3 of them were very expensive stocks, over $250 each. Starting with Tesla. Tesla. Very interesting stock, very volatile in the very morning start at 9:30 open. You can see on the daily chart, it just gapped right up to 239. And hold on a second. Hey, get out of here. Jeez, my dogs. It was whippy. I did have a bit of a short bias at the beginning here because it gapped up so high. So off the 5-minute candle, I decided to take a stab at it short, which at the end of the day it worked out for me. However, this one I think a little bit of luck was on my side. I did come out with $113 trading this one. A little bit choppy. Wasn't very impressed with this trading I did here, but nonetheless I came out with $113 in this trade. Honestly, I thought it was going to hold below the VWAP, and I thought this was just going to be a fading stock just because of the day charts. Huge resistance in this area right here with these 2 doji candles. Popping up so high, I thought it was preparing for basically a day fade. But then again, there is the rest of the day up until 1 o'clock today, short day. We'll see what happens. Symantec, very interesting stock. This one's one of those ones where I kept an eye on for the first little bit. I was short biased on this simply because look at the massive gap up from $22 all the way up to $25. So what was interesting is I took a pre-open trade, small. I think it was 100 shares actually. I let the market open. It was very volatile. I ended up getting out cold feet, losing $30 on that. But as you can see now, on this 1-minute chart, or actually this 2-minute chart, you're starting to see a fade. And I wouldn't be surprised if this continues to fade all day long. If I was able to stay in front of my computer, I would probably sit and trade this and just see how it fades for the rest of the day. AVGO, Broadcom Inc. I was long on this. However, I got long on too late, way too late. So you can see in the market open on this 5-minute, it just shot up from 283 up into 289. I waited for a pullback, a decent sized pullback into the top of the previous candle wick. I thought maybe this would be some good resistance since the stock was so strong. It turned out that it was not, although I did manage my risk here properly. It passed the VWAP on the 5-minute chart, and that's when I decided to get out. It did pop up a little bit, but no strength. I'm glad I came out of there with only a $65 loss. And as you can see, it's continued to fade right down to the market open. Anyways, scrap stock. I took a stab at it. Didn't work out, although my trade management was in tune, and that's what it's about. So took a minimal loss of $65. Now, the big kahuna today. American Corporation. Don't even know what the heck they do, but this was right off the scanners. And wow, this thing is strong. Guys, I played this. Look at this 1-minute chart. It looks like a Christmas tree, but don't be fooled. I was playing the uptrend. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, sell, sell. I rode this right up. Now, very conservative. I'm not going to lie. Very, very, very conservative. I only came out with $266 on this one, but this one had money written all over it. Honestly, if I was a little more, just a tad more risky, perhaps, I would have stayed in this a little bit longer and really increased my share size. I think the most I entered at any given time was 1,000 shares. And for a $23 stock, 1,000 shares for day trading is not a lot at all. But as you can see, here's a 1-minute chart. And, I'm happy, though, how I traded this simply because I rode it all the way up, right from the buys to the sells. You can see the green arrows pointing up means I'm long, and the red arrows mean I took some profit. So I took profit as I needed it along the way. Anyways, needless to say, this stock has rendered me $266. And as you can see, this was a perfect pullback, and I'd still be playing this if I didn't have to leave right now. Anyways, all in all, my day trade today is $284.32. It's my eighth. My eighth green trading day, and I'm happy that I got away with $284. I really feel I could have smashed this one out of the ballpark with this AMRN, but it is what it is, and you know what? I'm happy with the profits I got, and it's right up in the alley of my 1 to 2% daily gain. So I'm happy with it. Anyways, guys, till tomorrow. Actually, not tomorrow. Tomorrow is an American holiday, 4th of July, so the markets are closed. However, I will be back at it on Friday. So till then, guys, safe trading, happy trading, and we will see you on Friday. Cheers.